Good evening, fellas. Now, which one of you are Lino and Zeke?
Come on, man.
Tom. Thank you. What's your name, son?
My name Tom.
Tom. Today's your lucky day. You free to go. Wait. Before you leave, be sure to tell your employer that we're very unhappy with the way they're trying to move into our territory and the death of these two men about to fall on their hands. If they want to avoid from having any more casualties in the near future, let them know they need to stay in their own neck of the woods. Now, can you remember that, Tom?
Yeah, I can remember that.
Good. Now run, Tom. Run. You don't want to be in all this.